First, I want to give thanks to the Presidents and the Organizing Committee of 19th World Congress of the International Economic Association. I am the Anisur Rahman, General Member of Bangladesh Economic Association. The title of my paper is Automation, Digitalization, Robotization in the Era of Fourth Industrial Revolution and the New Economic Space. Automation, digitalization and robotization have taken the central position in the period of Fourth Industrial Revolution. This is affecting manufacturing, enterprises, employment and industry over the world. Because of the rising trend of competition in business and market, the developed and developing countries are sharing their resources for cost leadership and new market opportunities. Thus, the economic geography is changing and breaking the barriers of manufacturing plant centralization policy by relocating their plants at the feasible hot location for production and distribution by reducing transportation cost and to maintain the leadership and cooperation upon economic spaces. Development of automation, digitalization and robotization in production from planning to designing and manufacturing and in the service sectors are reducing the employment opportunities mainly for the unskilled workforces and opening up new opportunities for the skilled workforces. A structural change is taking place over the world. Artificial intelligence has become the focal point of automation, digitalization and robotization. And they are developing the intelligence algorithm for machine. It has become the productivity enhancer, is leading the world towards a new growth formula and relocating the industries. In the period of Fourth Industrial Revolution, the production and service sectors are mounted by automation, digitalization and robotization. To increase the productivity and profit in the competitive market is affecting the manufacturing enterprises and employment and moving towards smart manufacturing. The evaluation of and post-evaluation and integration of the Fourth Industrial Revolution will start the Fifth Industrial Revolution, where the machine and human intelligence will create more realistic environment for the incumbents to get more and exponential development in manufacturing enterprises, employment and smart manufacturing. The economic geography of the world is transforming because of automation, digitalization and robotization. Global employment situation is the most affecting area of the world for the rapid development in these sectors in the period of Fourth Industrial Revolution. In one side, the unskilled workforce are losing their jobs, and on the other side, the demand of skilled workforce are increasing and opening up new job market. This is a global challenge about how to mitigate this situation. Technological development cannot be stopped, but it is to be shaped for socio-economic sustainability. In many advanced economies, there loss of labor productivity for the lack of investment because the investors are not yet confirmed they are to invest more in industrial sector for the higher labor wage and the future job losses and how to adapt with the new job requirement situation. So that they are looking for new investment area for lower labor wage and a good wide market near to the production area. The investment upon automation, digitalization and robotization in the Asian region like China, Singapore, Malaysia earning a better return of their investment. Other countries have a feasible ongoing automation and digitalization facilities in management and communication sectors like Bangladesh, India. But robotization have not yet widely take place. Comparatively, Bangladesh is a hot location for the countries are looking for wide market and labor wage. There is a good combination in the country to facilitate upon both of them because the country is a good market for its own production and it is a good location. It can easily connect with the Indian market because India is connecting its own country through Bangladesh by using as transit. Bangladesh has already signed up with the OBOR project by which it can also connect with the OBOR market. The country has a good human capital development and GDP growth index according to global requirement in the automation, digitalization, robotization to meet the demand of Industry 4. The business leaders are looking something new from the traditional advantage of industrial transformation, which meet the possible and feasible transportation area, hot location for entering in the market for its own products, covering most of the market group, available required manpower, good entrepreneurs, flexible business policy and rule, new adaptable technological feasibility both in adopting and transfer of technology, Bangladesh is the right place for them because it is a covering area of distance decay model between SAARC and ASEAN. Bangladesh is in a position from where it is very easy to enter in the wider market like India within 1.33 billion of people, because India is a large country and using Bangladesh to transport its own product in their own market. Moreover, there is a good connectivity with the SAARC area from Bangladesh, where living 1.7 billion of people, at the 21% of the total population of the world. From Bangladesh, there is a good connectivity with ASEAN through road, ocean and air transportation, where living about 647.45 million of people. For good connectivity population, demand of new technological goods and service will transform the global business in the Asian region in future, where Bangladesh with India as a sub-region and SAARC and ASEAN as a new region will play the vital role in the global economy. Bangladesh is exporting a good volume of apparel over the world and contributing in GDP. The sectors can earn more in this by adopting automation in manufacturing of these goods. Another wide area for automation, digitalization and robotization is the agricultural sector. The country can produce a huge amount of surplus production in agricultural sector and can export these products by very minimum transportation cost. Thus, Bangladesh can be a covering area of agricultural location theory. There are many large and medium scale industries in Bangladesh are suffering from higher production cost, though their raw materials are 100% domestic. Because of the backdated production technology, now they become weak industries. But before some years, they were the major contributors for filling the domestic demand and export of surpluses. These are mainly sugar, jute, paper and allied engineering industries. Sugar and jute industry of Bangladesh can produce the goods are very much health and environment friendly because of its raw materials, and the waste are the raw materials of the paper mills as a recycling industry, which is the final disposal of global value chain. They are already having a good infrastructure and housing facilities in this sector for industrial operation. In this sector, there are wide scope of research, investment and manufacturing by integrating this industrial manufacturing technology. According to Industry 4, these industrial goods can be sold in the market as an upgraded product for its value rather than the available similar products in the market. And the possibilities of these industries can create huge amount of employment for the unskilled workforce in the agricultural sector for the production of raw materials of these industries. The surpluses of these health and environment friendly goods can be exported in the regional and global market easily from Bangladesh in many different ways like sea, road and railway. Government policies will play the vital role in the period of fourth industrial revolution to attract the investors in their country and in their region by showing the highest return of investment in their country and in the region. Regional policies must not the policy for only competitiveness, but it should be the policy of regional sustainable development of each country. Governmental and regional development policies should cover the following areas for increased regional productivity and competitiveness. Institutional development of government, academic, business, manufacturing and financial. Infrastructural development for faster communication and transportation in the region. Free regional market for macroeconomic development. Improvement of quality of health and primary education. Sophistication of higher education and training according to Industry 4. A regional database with a common communication platform for decision making about production, distribution and consumption, which can help the regional market efficiency and global value chain. Improvement of labor market efficiency according to Industry 4. Business friendly tax policy for financial market development. Technological readiness. Increase of market size not by excluding anyone but including everyone. Sophistication of business platform. Transparent, explainable and interpretable, fair and auditable. Innovation. Special attention to artificial intelligence and quantum computing. Policy compatibility with SDG 2030 ICT 4T and Industry 4. Thank you, everyone.